Good day everyone, Alice here from Sophie Financial Network. Today we are talking about Nasdaq. Today is July 16, 2022. As I promised, I will make another video for Nasdaq this week, plus S&P 500, which I did yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, make sure that see the video here. Here's the link and you can see the video down there. That's for S&P 500, but for Nasdaq we have kind of like a nice reversal is happening for the monthly chart. If you remember, this is my arrow I just pointed out. I don't know when was the time that I just had analysis video for Nasdaq. I just told you here is the reversal area for Nasdaq, and that's why this is a nice demand area, supply demand area, which is coming back to the supply area. So basically very strong monthly demand area, and we are just getting into it, and we are expecting to have a reversal coming from this area. This is not going to be probably new all-time high, but I would say this is going to be a decent bounce, or kind of like one of the biggest rally in 2022, as I said in S&P 5. And here is the stochastic. We are getting into the crossover for the monthly chart for the first time since 2009, and this is very interesting, just because last time we got there we stuck there for market crash, so it takes like, I don't know, 5-6 months to reverse and coming back to the upside. So don't get excited, because it could be something like this. When we are getting to the oversold area, it doesn't mean that we are getting close to the rally. However, there is something that we need to see, and the other indicators as well, they are kind of like sloping up. Right now MACD is the most oversold condition since 2000. Even 2000, 2008, we haven't seen such a this oversold in MACD. In RSI, yes, we did it here in 2000, 2002. Here is 2008, 2009. But for MACD, this is a very sharp sell-off coming back down, and that is making a good bounce for Nasdaq. We are expecting prices coming back up, and sure we did. This July is a green bar so far. We just passed half months. We have another 2 weeks for the month of July, and I think July this year would be a positive along with August, and after August I'm not sure. So let's go to weekly chart, because there are lots of development happening in weekly chart. And as you see here, weekly chart, we are piercing to SMA 50, and this is the level. Okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, so this is the level that we were talking about in monthly chart. Still, there is another chance to go and test down there, so I was expecting prices coming back down here. I wouldn't surprise that, but anyway, so price is retracing back up there earlier than expected. This wide range bar help out to buyers coming back to the market, and this is a very nice I would say setup. So you see series of higher lows in shadows, and this is the narrow body bar in a 7th candle. If you know the methodology that I'm using, 7-bar narrow body bar, which is a fantastic numerology number for reversal, and this happening exactly at the week of 7. And right now we are getting back to the bullish momentum. I think if we close next week above this resistance area, which is pretty close, above 12,000, that would be the area. If we close above 12,000, or if we get a green bar next week, I would say market is poised for another rally all the way at least to here. So this is 12,800, 12,900, and that would be a good setup for I should say like end of the July, early August. And market needs to make a decision if they want to roll over back down to this level, or they can break out for another rally. Probably, I'm not sure if we are getting to this area, but there is going to be a good potential going there all the way to 13,600, 700 if we close above this trend line. So again, we are going step by step, stairs by stairs, not forecasting the ultimate target right now because there are tons of things happening down the road and we don't know exactly what would be the reason. But right now market is holding up pretty well above this pivot, and we are just giving market benefit of doubt for a bullish momentum at least for 12,800 to 12,900. The timing would be end of the July. Okay, so for the next 2 weeks I would expect market is coming back up. Look at this fantastic divergence in MACD, and look at this confirmation in RSI, and also stochastic just getting out of the oversold condition. Crossover happened, and then we are nicely coming back to the bullish momentum. At least once we are not getting a sell signal from stochastic, we should give the market benefit of doubt for another rally, probably for 2 weeks at least, or 3 weeks. I would say the end of the August we can have like a green bars. It's going to be fluctuating, but by the end of the August we will have like a rally, and that would be, I think, one of the best rally in 2020 if it's not the best. And that would be the stunning rally. Everyone would be surprised, but that's going to be a good brief rally for those ones who are stuck in the market and they want just close their positions in a minimum negative, just because after September, October, we don't know exactly what is going to happen for the market. Going back to daily chart, here is the level that I show you, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago when I just provided a video for Nasdaq. This is the trend line wedge triangle, and as you see here, we are just breaking above this, coming back down nicely, double test this trend line, nice reversal happening. So we just close above SMA 20 and just a touch to SMA 50 on the daily basis. So this pattern is pretty bullish. Bullish, bullish, triple bullish, just because we have low, higher, low, triple, higher, low in a nice forming in the monthly demand area. So that triggers a buying signal for me. And as we did, we just had like a 2 stop loss here. I just put a bad stop level, but right now we are nicely in the money. And I think we are getting to the last target, which is kind of this area. And that would be the decisive moment for the market, but at least 12,800 would be the possibility still for the ultimate target for Nasdaq if we close above this. So there is a big if. Next week, if we close above these pivotal points, we close above SMA 50 in daily basis, and we hold above it. So basically that's going to be 12,000 to 12,200. This area. If we close above this, market is poised for another upside, another 600 to 12,800, and that would be the ultimate target, I would say, for the months of July. And here is, I just rarely show the 4 hours chart, but this is the one. So this 4 hours chart told me that we are getting close to break out this. Let me just put a Fibonacci here. And this is the high, and right there. So you see 100% Fibonacci is going back to this pivotal point, and 50% Fibonacci is going to back to this 12,800. So this is a nice area for the target. For the first target, I would say 12,800 to 12,500. That would be the first target. The second target, which is going to be aggressive one, going all the way to here to just touch this pivotal point and to the upper part of this channel, probably going to 13,100 to 13,400. Again, I'm not sure, so we are going, as I said, level by level, and we are not getting aggressive approach. We are just waiting for the confirmation when we adjust ourselves with the market. Okay, so if you like this video, please smash the like button. If you like any other analysis for different stocks, different individual stocks, just make sure that put your comment in the chat box down there. I will answer all the questions, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, just because we are providing market updates weekly and some individual stocks sometimes. And also subscribe to our channel, Telegram channel, Safi Financial network, and there are lots of updates daily or intraday updates that I'm giving you with different stocks, commodities, gold price, oil, and different stuff. Good stuff is there waiting for you, and it's all free at the end of the day. Okay, have a good weekend. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.